Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the teleport effect on TikTok. It's actually really easy and simple to do. Before we get started though, I'm just going to remind you guys I do have lots of videos on my channel similar to this one, showing you guys how to get different effects on TikTok and other social medias. So if you guys are interested in these kinds of videos, I'd really appreciate if you guys go check out those other videos I have, as well as consider subscribing, as I do daily content in this realm, showing you guys how to get tons of stuff as I'm on my road onto 10,000 subscribers. Anyhow, with this video, let's get into it and show you guys how to get this filter. So if you just head over to TikTok and just go to your discovered page right here, you just want to go up to the top search menu and just search for teleport. Now, a lot of people will see the effect menu right here and it'll show teleport right here. So you could just click on that right there. But if you don't see it there for whatever reason, just go ahead and click on videos and find someone that's using the teleport effect. So let's just say this person right here. If we were to go ahead and click on her video here, you can see right above her name, it says teleport, that little box. You can go ahead and click on that as well. And then you can add it to your favorites at the very top here. Now, to use this effect, it's actually really easy. All you have to do is either click on the camera here or go to create new video. And all you have to do is click on the teleport effect. And you just have to show your hand on the screen, and then it will switch between any background that you choose from your camera roll. It's actually quite cool. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys this filter. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.